Onam, the festival that is celebrated across Kerala, brings families together. As we eagerly await the next Onam, let us pause for a moment and ask, why do celebrations really matter in our lives? In a world full of deadlines, stress, and endless routines, celebrations are not just about rituals. They are about rediscovering joy, connection, and meaning. If you enjoy conversations that make life richer and more thoughtful, hit the subscribe button and join our community. Don't forget to share your own Onam experiences in the comments below. Now, let us understand why celebrations matter. Celebrations, first of all, connect people, whether it is family, friends, or neighbors. Festivals remind us that we are part of something bigger than ourselves. Secondly, they help us create lasting memories. A simple Pookkalam, a traditional Onam Sadhya, or a game played together becomes a memory we care for life. Thirdly, celebrations are a natural way to reduce stress. Taking time out for joy refreshes our mind and body. Fourthly and finally, they preserve culture and tradition. Onam is not just about Mahabali's story. It is about keeping Kerala's heritage alive for future generations. Now let us understand what are the few things that we can do to make our celebrations more effective. First, plan ahead. Decide on the food, decorations, and activities early. It saves time and avoids last minute stress. Second, include everyone. Give small roles to each family member. Someone can arrange the Pookkalam, another can cook, someone else can lead the games. Shared responsibility makes the celebration more meaningful. Thirdly, find joy in simple. You don't need grand expenses. A homemade simple sadhya, a small Pookkalam with flowers available in our homes or neighborhood, or singing together can be just as powerful. Fourthly, use social media wisely. Share your happiness, but don't fall into comparisons. Focus on spreading positivity. Fifth, add a touch of service. Onam's spirit is equality. Celebrate by helping those in need, sharing food with someone who requires it, visiting an elderly neighbor, or supporting a local charity. It makes the festival truly fulfilling. Onam teaches us that happiness grows when shared. Life without celebrations feel empty, but with them we find meaning, connection, and joy. So, this Onam, let us celebrate not just with Sadhya or Pookkalam alone, but with love, unity, and compassion. Celebrate Onam, celebrate life. Wish you all a very happy Onam.